Hello guys, so here is the update about the ChainBase Testnet. Remember we were farming on that browser where you have to check in daily. Now that has ended and you have a simple testnet task to do. So I'll just proceed to do the task for this ChainBase. I will click on agree. Then I'll be connecting the same wallet that I connected in the previous farming. So I'll connect the same wallet so that I'll be able to proceed with the testnet task. So that is it. You have to have Sepolia ETH on your testnet, on your wallet. The Sepolia ETH is a testnet token. So what you need to do is to bridge from Sepolia to ChainBase and bridge back from ChainBase to Sepolia. For now, this is just a simple task, just these two. So I'll click, I'm having some Sepolia ETH. If you don't have Sepolia ETH in your wallet, you can go to Alchemy to claim Sepolia ETH. So I'll just enter 0.1 to bridge. So here is it. So Alchemy will give you Sepolia ETH, and you can use this faucet Telegram bot. There is a bot on Telegram that you can use you can request testnet tokens from it. I've dropped the link severally. So those are the two options conversant with Alchemy and this faucet on Telegram bot. This Telegram bot faucet rather. So you can get Sepolia from those two. So let's see. Let me click on review bridge. Then continue. So I'll click on start here. Wow. So I'm gonna wait 3 minutes after this confirmation. So you see, start on Sepolia, wait 3 minutes, get 0.1 ETH on Chainbase Network Testnet. Then after these 3 minutes, I'll come back to restart to bridge back to Sepolia. Then I can do that twice or just 2 times, and for now that's just the update about Chainbase. So this is how to participate in the ChainBase. Let me just hold on for the next 3 minutes before deciding to bridge back. I will come back. Let me pause this. So the bridging has completed from Sepolia to ChainBase. You can see how thick. Now let me see if we can try from ChainBase back to Sepolia. You can see the information here. So now let's see this. So this is ChainBase to Sepolia. I'll just enter 0.00 something. Okay, so let's see. So add it. I understand and acknowledge must complete 2 extra transactions on Sepolia. Gas fee prices may fluctuate significantly between. Okay, bridge cannot be spread or cancel. Okay, so this last bridging will take 1 hour. Bridging from ChainBase back to Sepolia will take 1 hour. As you can see, if I click on start, so I'll have to wait for this. So it's just you see bridging. So wait 1 hour, prove on Sepolia, wait 12 seconds, then get 0.1 ETH. So that's just what you have to do. You can do this like 2 times or 3 times and hold on for subsequent update about the ChainBase Testnet. This is just additional task with the one to the one we previously do, you know. So guys, this is the update about the ChainBase Testnet. I'll drop the link to bridge in the description box of this video, so you can check out the link from there and do the simple bridging. Then hold on for subsequent updates about ChainBase. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Also, join my Telegram community and you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.